right? We're all familiar with the typical SDLC here, right? But what we want to try to do, right, in this example is, map out a digitalized and integrated SDLC. That meaning that it's secure and privacy centric as well as GXP centric, right? And so the first thing that we'll look at is the GXP world, right? And from planning and requirements, we have our validation plan, we have our risk assessment, we start to draft user requirements, system requirements, start to convert that to the design, right? Start thinking about, if we're going from one system to the other, what does the architecture look like? What does the data mapping look like? Then we get into maybe our build, our configuration and design and code reviews, right? And then get into the overall testing of OQ, PQ, UAT, whatever you want to call it, right? And then finally release, and then into the operational phase where we're thinking about things about change management, periodic review, incident management, stuff like that. Then we take a look at our tech stack, right? These are all the different technologies across the global enterprise that we use in order to do these SDLC activities with our GXP stuff, right? So from Jira and Larian all the way through Git and Azure DevOps into, some of our technologies that we're using on the security and privacy front. Then we start to think of some of our activities that we're doing from a data security standpoint, right? These are where they fall in the validation or the compliance SDLC standpoint. And then finally, on top of that, we're looking at some of the privacy activities that we're doing. And really, this is a good way to kind of roadmap what you're currently doing and think about, okay, how do we get here, right? And so, yeah, quickly just wanted to go through that just so you guys could see an example of what to do and how to think about these things.